This video is not a user manual. Please read the user manual before using the device. Ramonak-03. An effective and safe system for warming of patients during all perioperative stages, which is placed on operating tables, intensive care unit beds. Place the heating pad on a horizontal surface. Follow the instructions and indicators on it. Next, place the gel plate on top. The heating pad must be completely covered by the gel pad. For the convenience of healthcare professionals, reusable hypoallergenic, waterproof covers are available. Connect the heating pad to the control unit. Connect the electrical cable to the control unit. Make sure that the power switch is in the off position. Plug in to the electric mains. Mount the control unit on the operating table or any horizontal surface. Turn on the control unit. Press the power on button. Previously set temperature will appear on the lower display. Set the required temperature in the range from 34 to 39 degrees Celsius and press the Start button. The current temperature will be shown on the upper display. When the set temperature is reached, the system will automatically maintain it around the clock. If a temperature needs to be changed, press the Stop button. Set the required temperature and press Start button. It takes time for the gel plate to cool down, if the set temperature is decreased. Press the Stop button as soon as you finished. Switch off the device. After each surgery, clean the system with a cleaning agent and a disinfectant solution, approved in your hospital. You can find a link to a detailed cleaning guide in the description box below. For storing and moving the system, roll the heating pad into a tube with a minimum of 130 millimeters. You can find a link to a detailed storage guide in the description box below. More information you can find in the user manual.